everybody, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am so excited for this unboxing. You have no idea. I have a new box, a new subscription box that I am so excited to try. It is called Wildgrain. Now they contacted me and said, hey, can we send you a box to try out? And immediately, you guys, I checked out their website and my mouth just like started to water. I have been craving bread like there's no tomorrow. Like I'm like, I want sourdough bread so badly. So you're like, okay, what the heck is Wildgrain? Wildgrain is like pasta. They have pasta and a lot of breads and like desserts and stuff in here, and they guarantee like a box, or they don't guarantee, but they say like a box is like 20 to 30 different things that you guys can make with your dinner that you have, and I am beyond excited to try that. I had scissors at my desk, but somebody took them away because I moved everything around. But I am so excited to dig in and see what I got from Wildgrain. Now, if you guys are watching this in the middle of August, you guys can get $30. The first 50 people who subscribe to this box, you guys will get $30 off your first box. Now the box is $89.99. If you guys are the first 30 people, you will get $30 off, making it $59 for this box. But I am pretty excited to see what is all inside. And if you guys also sign up, you get 4 free croissants also. So basically this is stuff that you take out of your freezer. So this stuff has to be frozen. You take it out of your freezer. You don't even have to thaw it. I think you just put it in the oven and bake it. I will let you guys know more and show you guys reviews on it, but I'm just ready to dig in and share with you guys what I got. So this is some really thick insulated cardboard paper. They have 2 packs of ice in here, and these are dry ice. Oh, the kids are gonna have a fun day with dry ice. I know they know not to touch it, but they like to put it in like a bucket. And yeah, so let's just dig in and see it. So here it says, here is my list of everything that I got. Ooh, I got sourdough bread, you guys. I'm so excited. I have been craving sourdough bread so much. And then there's also ice packs in here. Ice packs and dry ice. That is awesome. Okay, so the first thing it says, thanks for being a Wildgrain member. Hi, Joanna here, head baker, co-founder of Wildgrain. Says thank you for choosing Wildgrain, supporting small bakers and pasta makers. Your membership helps keep the tradition of artisanal and nutritious food alive. If your box arrived without dry ice, that's okay. You can put it in the freezer and any item is cold to the touch. Okay, discard any containing eggs. Feels warm. Okay, that's if I have any problems. So right here, I see the 4 croissants. So I am so excited for croissants, but it says croissants. It says do not thaw, bake from frozen. So it just says preheat. It has all the ingredients in here: wheat, flour, butter, water, cane sugar, yeast, milk, eggs, and salt. So this is very like healthy food, kind of. But anyways, it just says to put in the oven for 18 minutes. Oh, I'm so excited to make croissants, you guys. So everybody who orders gets gets those croissants. You get them all the time. Oh, you guys, there's cookies. Oh my goodness. So here we got cookies. We have giant chocolate chunk cookies. Again, frozen. I gotta put these all in the freezer right away. So we got those. And then I also see, oh, there's so much in here. We got fettuccine, like the real fettuccine. Cooking instructions: boil salted water. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited for fettuccine. My husband makes actually sauce, homemade sauce. He doesn't like take he's not a big jarred sauce person. He loves the homemade stuff. So this fettuccine with like some chicken and some Alfredo. Yes. Ooh, what is this? We also got some tandoori. So here we have spaghetti alla cicciatera. Okay, so it's like spaghetti. It's like spaghetti is what it is, but that's really cool. Again, frozen, and all it has is semolina flour, eggs, water, and salt. I mean, they're very simple and simple ingredients. So we got that. Okay. What else we got? We got a loaf of bread. Here is a slow fermented 3-seeded bread. We use the old way of making bread with wild yeast that takes days from the start to finish. So here is some frozen bread. It just basically just says preheat. You just put it right frozen smack dab in the thing. Okay, hold on, honey. The next thing we got, you guys, I'm so excited for is sourdough bread. I love sourdough bread. I've been craving it. Thank you, my daughter yelling in the background. But here we got sourdough bread. I absolutely love it. And then there's one more item in here, I think. And my hands are frozen because these things are that frozen. Here we have sourdough harvest bread. That was the ice clanging next to each other. But here we have a cool little loaf of sourdough bread. See something red in it. What is in it? Oh, okay, so this is, it's called whole wheat, wheat flour, water, pecans, cranberries, apricots, figs, candied ginger, and salt. My hands are frozen. That thing is frozen. So that is everything that I got in my box. So if you guys are interested in joining this, now I will be definitely trying out some of these things, and I will have it at some of this video, or you guys want to definitely check out my social media, especially Instagram, and I will be definitely taking photos of everything that I got. But I am so excited for the sourdough bread. I think I'm going to cook that like right now. I'm so excited. But you guys can get everything that I got too. All you have to do is click the link below, use code DesignerJen, and you guys will get first $30 off your first box, plus you'll get the 4 croissants, which, did I put those in there? I did put those in there, and I am pretty excited. So there is 2 different kinds of boxes. There is a mixed box, which I think is what I got, and then there is a box with just the bakery items, so that's like just the bread. So you guys can choose what box that you want, and then you guys can get the $30 off. So use DesignerJen as the code, and you guys have until August 31st to get $30 off the first 50 people who use my link. But I am so excited for this, you guys. Like, my mouth has just been watering because I'm just like, I want some sourdough bread and croissants. So we'll probably have some pasta for dinner tonight, and I will definitely show you guys after this. So let's go have some fun baking and making everything super easy. Thanks for watching. See you guys back a little bit later. Okay, so the first thing we are going to make is the croissants. So it says preheat the oven to 380. So we are preheating the oven right now, and then we're gonna make some croissants. So here are what the croissants look like. It says until it's a darker brown. Some of them are darker brown, but it says let sit for 5 minutes. So we are gonna enjoy these. And then I'm also gonna make this sourdough bread. I am so excited. So let me cook this, and we'll do a taste test for both pieces of bread. Okay, so I undercooked the croissants a little bit, but we are going to try the croissants. You are supposed to make them until they're like dark brown. Well, this is dark brown, but apparently the whole thing needs to be dark brown, but
they taste very good. Good flavor.
Mmm. Hey, take a bite. Let me see what you think of it. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it too? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. Okay, you guys, my daughter took my croissant away from me. These are very good. These taste like the ones we had when we were in France. Nice buttery taste. Mmm. Really good. I just want to get these all the time. So good. Now, we're gonna have the sourdough bread. Here is the sourdough bread that we are cutting. Okay, so now we are gonna try the sourdough bread. I always like the insides more than the outside. You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's got a good sourdough flavor.
It's got butter on it.
Very good.
Mmm. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna say out of the items that we had, my kids already ate the cookies. We made the cookies. Graham, what'd you think of the cookies?
The cookies were very good.
They were huge cookies.
If you like cookies that are softer.
Yeah, I didn't get a chance to even eat them because my family ate them, but they came out to be a huge cookie. Definitely recommend the cookies according to my family. I really love the croissants. Did I have a cookie? Yeah, you did. I really love the croissants. They reminded me of when we were in France. Like, Graham and I absolutely love the croissants when we were in Paris, and that's exactly what it reminded me of. The sourdough bread was excellent. We go to a couple restaurants that we love eating at, and they always give us sourdough bread, and that reminded us exactly of the sourdough bread. So I love this box. If you guys are interested in it, you can subscribe to your own box. If you use DesignerJen before August 31st, you guys will get $30 off your first box, and you'll get the 4 free croissants also included. So definitely check it out, but I am excited to eat everything else that I got. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. I will have all the information down below in the description, and thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.